Hey guys, so today, if you have seen my last video, I did a fidget haul and some other things. So we'll be opening my fidgets. I'll be opening 5 fidgets, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna do the banana one because I'm really excited for the banana one. So yeah. So you guys didn't really see. I'm just going to put the rubbish on the floor. Oh my days, this is so nice. I've never had like an actual all these. I did have one of these but in blue, but it actually popped while I cut it open. But this is the best thing ever. I love the colour yellow because it's so vibrant. Yeah, we're just going to put that on my bed. Now we're going to do this squishy. We're doing like these at the last because they say they're sticky, so I'm kind of scared, kind of worried about it. But, I do know how these feel, by the way. They're not. They're really bad. Oh, it doesn't squish. So guys, it doesn't squish like I expected it to do. So I really don't recommend these because is like, am I doing something wrong or does that not squish? This is really bad. Should I cut this open? I don't know. But, so, the banana squishy is like a 10 out of 10. Nothing's wrong with that. This is a 1, because it's like, I like the texture. But it's just not squishy yet. But I'll probably rate it 1. Bless me. So now I'm going to do the shark, I think. So yeah. If I haven't been posting on my fidget account, it's because I haven't got my phone, so I'm on my iPad right now. But yeah, that's it. Why? If I'm not posting on either my main or fidget or any other account, then I probably I've got my phone taken off me, that's why. But I'm on my iPad and my dad can't take this away because it's mine. I rate this a 9 out of 10 just because like there's this ball in it. Don't it there? That I don't really like, but it's also nice to squish, but I don't like how it just flapping around. But I still am grateful, and I did buy this all on my own. So this looks like a peach, this one. But yeah, as you can't really see, but yeah. So I think I'm gonna do this. No, I'm gonna do this one next. So yeah, I'm really excited. But I think I opened it wrong. There, it says on the back, pals, I don't know, something like that. But oh, okay, I got it. It's so sticky. But it's so sticky. Oh my days, it's so sticky. I don't really like it. It's like really sticky. But I like the noise it makes. And apparently, I got 2 so we can like stick together. But yeah, I rate this probably like a 7.5 because I like the noise it makes, but it's just really sticky. Like, look, it sticks my hand. Yeah, but it sticks to everything now. But now let's open. I am cleaning this rubbish up because obviously it's my bedroom. Okay, it's dead. The duck's less sticky. So I like it, but like I think it's popped a bit because a bit of the stuff fell off my hand. But it's actually really nice. Other than that, yeah, these are all my fidget toys that I got today. My dad was like, "Do you really need all of this?" And I was like, yes. And then I got some other bits and bobs. Me just not having lunch or just snacking. I don't know, there was two there. But now we're going to move everything off my storage boxes. And I'll put it back. Okay. So, in the next video, I'll be putting my fidgets in this storage box. Yeah, bye guys. Love you all.